How to install Ledger Live on your Ledger Nano S. Hey guys, my name is Tom Porter and welcome to this edition of Understanding Cryptocurrency. And on today's video, I want to download and install Ledger Live on my Ledger Nano. So up until now on this device, it's been pretty difficult because to access all the cryptocurrencies on here, you need basically to have Chrome running, and everything that's on here as far as cryptocurrency wallets and access to the wallets is basically a Chrome application. And I never really liked this in the first place. And so I'm pretty excited today to check out the Ledger Live, which is basically a program that goes on your Mac and helps you control your Nano. So I'm gonna walk through how to do that today and see if that's helpful for you. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is come here to Google and you're just gonna type in Ledger Live. And this is going to take you to the first result here, which is on the Ledger homepage, which is the place where you're going to download Ledger Live. It's always a good practice to come up here, make sure that you're on the secure site, and also make sure that you're on the site that you want, right? This is ledgerwallet.com is the root site, and I'm in the support area of this site. But I'm in the secure site and I'm on ledgerwallet.com. A lot of the way people are getting their coins stolen now is there's a lot of websites that look like the websites that you should be at that are not the exact URL, but they have everything that looks like what you should be at, and you're putting in your information about your accounts, and then the hackers are basically just using those to access your coins and drain your accounts. So I'm always trying to incorporate as much of those security steps in everything that I'm doing online when I'm dealing with cryptocurrency. So good practice is always to check the HTTPS and make sure that we're on the appropriate website, which we are. So I'm looking here, the prerequisites are that you have a Ledger Nano S, which I have right here, and I have some crypto stored on. And then my computer meets these requirements. I'm on a Mac laptop and I'll be using a USB port, and I have a very good internet connection. So I meet everything there. Let's go to Mac installation. All right, so what this is just telling me here is basically like you download every other Mac program, is you're going to download it and then you're going to drag Ledger Live into your applications folder. So I'm gonna do that. So it should be pretty much downloaded now. So here it is right here, Ledger Live, and I'm going to double click that. And then I'm going to take the Ledger Live and drag it into my applications folder. And that's gonna copy everything from Ledger Live to my applications folder. Of course, it wouldn't be a video unless my dog was snoring, which is the case right now. She's really into this crypto stuff. This is definitely a good video today. She's snoring like crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna move to step 5 here, which is open Ledger Live from Launchpad or Spotlight, whatever's easiest. You can always come up here to search Spotlight, Ledger Live, and there's the top hit. And I'm gonna double click that. Now it says Ledger Live is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? And I'm going to click open. Now here's the welcome screen that I'm getting, and when I actually start the program. And out of these 3 options here, my device is already been initialized. So I'm going to click on that. And this is a Ledger Nano S. I'm going to click continue. Then it's asking me, did you choose your PIN code by yourself? The answer is yes. Did you save your recovery phrase by yourself? The answer there is yes. And is your Ledger device genuine? Let's check that right now. So what it's going to ask me is connect and unlock your Ledger device, navigate to the dashboard on your device, and allow manager on your device. So what I'm going to do is enter in my PIN code here. So it actually navigated to this screen for me as soon as I entered in my password. So what I'm gonna do is press down on both buttons here to confirm. So now it's telling me that my device is genuine, and I'm going to click continue. Set a password to prevent unauthorized access to Ledger Live data stored on your computer, including account names, balances, transactions, and public addresses. So I'm going to put in a password. So it's asking me a couple of questions, whether or not I want to report anything as far as bugs or analytics anonymously to Ledger so that they can improve their product. And I really don't like doing any of this stuff I don't really know why, I don't have an explanation for it, but I just don't do it. So I'm gonna click no here, and then I'm gonna click continue. Okay, it says that my device is ready now, so I'm going to open Ledger Live and see what it is like. So I get this message here, it says trade safely. Before sending and receiving crypto assets, educate yourself and make informed decisions. Crypto assets are volatile and the prices can go up and down, we know that. Carefully evaluate your trading goals and the financial risk you are willing to take. Please beware that Ledger does not provide financial, tax, or legal advice. You should take such decisions on your own or consult with reliable expert. It's true. One thing great about crypto, right, is you're responsible for everything. So here we are inside Ledger Live, and I'm gonna open the manager and check it out. All right, I think I'm gonna stop there, and we're going to make another video where we talk all about the features of Ledger Live, and hopefully compare it a little bit to the Google Chrome applications and see if they've improved some things. I think they have, and I gotta tell you, I'm pretty excited about this because I really don't like having to go into Chrome and use the applications to access stuff on my Nano. I really like having dedicated programs on my computer in order to do that. So I'm pretty stoked about this, and hope this helps.